Hey guys, the Scratch Game Jam number 9 is about to kick off. You have 2 weeks to create a game that fits the theme using Scratch, Timberweb, Gandi IDE, or any other Scratch tools. The theme of this jam is the unknown. Here are some examples of games that fit the theme. So this game is called Inside. It's an adventure puzzle game where you control this nameless boy who finds himself in a creepy and strange world. He's on a mission to uncover all the secrets this place holds, but let me tell you, it's not an easy ride. There are all sorts of dangers and puzzles waiting to trip you up. You got some brain-testing tasks, all while trying to figure out what the heck is going on in this mysterious world. Now, No Man's Sky is a whole different kind of game. It's a science fiction game set in an open world. And when I say open world, I mean it's like a never-ending universe with billions of planets just waiting to be explored. Talk about West. You are basically this space explorer in the unknown cosmos. You will discover all sorts of crazy stuff like new planets, weird life forms, and valuable resources. Oh, and there are also some hidden secrets. Next game is Journey. It's an India adventure game that takes place in a desert world. You play as this traveler and you can either go it alone or team up with others. The emphasis here is on exploring the unknown and connecting with fellow travelers. It's all about personal growth and finding your way through this mysterious and beautiful world. It's a pretty chill game. Last but not least, we got FTL, Faster Than Light. This game is all about space strategy. You are in charge of a fleet, and you gotta make some tough decisions. The thing is, everything is randomly generated, so you never know what is on your way. You gotta navigate through some crazy circumstances and deal with all kinds of unknown challenges. It's a real test of your skills as a commander. So yeah, this game are all about exploring the unknown, solving puzzles, and uncovering hidden truths. They are super exciting and immersive. Before you start to create your game, make sure to read the detailed rules on each page of Scratch Game Jam number 9 and join our Discord server to discuss the theme, update devlogs, and playtest with other creators. We are excited to see more creative and challenging ideas. Good luck and have fun!